Oh. Hello everybody, my name is Marvin. Today we learn English with me. If you like my video, can you please like, comment and share for me please? Thank you everybody. And today we learn letter C. Claw, con trộn, clay, đầy ẩn, clean, sầm ạt, clear,ច្បាស់លាស់, clerk, សំនៀង, clever, ឆ្លាត, claims, អតិថិជន, climb, ឡើង, clinic, មន្ទីរព្យាបាល, clock, ម៉ោង, clown, មនុស្ស, clock, clothes, ខោអាវ, cloud, ពពក, close, បិទ, club, ក្លឹប, clock, clip, ខូត, អាវធំ, cacao, ផ្លែ cacao, coconut, ផ្លែដូង, coffee, កាហ្វេ. Thank you everybody.